Do you remember that kid in class who would just sit there and nonchalantly spin a pen in his hand and then proceed to steal everyone's girlfriend? No? Well, anyways, I'm going to try to learn how to spin a pen, and I'm going to record myself going from never having tried it to the end goal of trying to get 3 in a row. So here we go. Time starts now. Alright, as you can see, I got lots of options, but I'm going to start with this just basic paper mate pen. Feels kind of light, so we'll try it out a few times and see how it goes. Got his spin there. Feels like I've never held a pen before. Alright, so I'm trying to make this spin around my thumb and then back into the writing position. So I need to flick it, my middle finger. So I need to flick it with my middle finger and make it loop around. Got the spin. I feel like a spaz when it just like shoots off. Oh! There's one. Does that count as one? Okay, I'm gonna try a different pen. Ink joy. This is a whole new ball game. I do like the weight to it though. One. It seems like holding near the end of the pen is the key, and also going as slow as you can. Because holding in the middle or going fast makes the pen just fly away. So, seems like that's the technique. That's what I'm going for anyways. Whoa, that was the best one I've done. So far I've only had 1 in a row that are flukes. So, here we go. I wanted to just nicely land. That was pretty close. Okay, that's one. I'm gonna try subbing it in for this heavy boy. It doesn't count. I'm not sure I like that pen. I think this one's my favorite so far. Alright, there's 2. We're getting close though. There's 3. 3, finally. Oh. Yes. Oh. Well, that was harder than I expected. Pen me.